Okay, everybody, this is going to be the very first time that I've tried the Asiago and Cheddar cheese gourmet bagel. We're going to convert these bad boys into awesome bagel pizzas. So we start off with the bagels. We're going to cut the bagels and add some Ragu pizza sauce, homemade style. After we have sliced our bagel and applied our Ragu pizza sauce, we're going to put a thin layer of mozzarella shredded cheese. So after slicing the bagel, adding the mozzarella shredded cheese, we're going to add some pepperoni slices. After the pepperoni slices, we are going to add some mushroom slices. Then I'm going to add some banana pepper rings, a little bit more mozzarella shredded cheese, and then I'm going to put the bagels into the oven, which is set at 375 degrees, for about 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. This is what the pizza bagels are looking like before they go in the oven that is preheated at 375 degrees for about 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. And there they are, the pizza bagels with the Asiago and Cheddar cheese bagels. We have mozzarella shredded cheese, we have pepperoni, we have sliced mushrooms, and of course banana peppers. Looks good. Only takes about 10 to 12 to 13 minutes at 375 degrees, and get ready for deliciousness. I hope you enjoyed.